For those of you who are new, my name is Lukas Kasper. I am a mural artist, mostly teaching you guys how to spray paint and basically paint big on YouTube. Today, I got a fun project. I'm just doing speed paintings. So I've done a couple of these now where I've taken like 5 minutes, taken 10 minutes on the last one, and this one's gonna be a 10-minute one too. I'm gonna be keeping it nice and simple, but showing you guys a whole bunch of different techniques. And all you gotta do is just kick back and watch along. Today's subject, I'm actually gonna paint like a beetle. 10 minutes on the clock. If we finish earlier, that's great. But otherwise, let's just get stuck straight into this speed painting. So it looks like that's it. 10 minutes right on the dot, and we got our little rhino beetle. So a huge thing with painting with this style, and the trick to it is transparent spray paint. For a lot of things, transparents are like completely irrelevant, and most of the time when I paint big, I just use bright colors and like layer softly. But you saw, like, I put down the dark bases, I picked up what was transparent spray paint, and that's how I did all these fades and stuff in here. This will dry like really quickly, and you can just keep layering like one on top of the next. So try to implement in some spray paint in your work and try to loosen up. I love spray painting. It's immediate, and in 10 minutes I have a dude like this hanging out. So if you enjoyed this video, and remember to check my channel out, there's a bunch of ones like this. Also, if you want to learn anything in particular, let me know. I'm always open to ideas, and I really just want to help you guys out, build a community, and make like a fun YouTube channel. So yeah, if you liked it, check everything else out. And thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you on the next one.